what up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and this is my 2008 Subaru Impreza WRX STI. I bought it flooded from an auto auction. The engine was locked up, so I replaced it with a 2018 fire-damaged STI engine. If you want to see that video, link is going to be in the top right-hand corner. Today is the day that we answer that question. Will this run? Is it even possible? A lot of people are saying yes, a lot of people are saying no. Let's do the impossible and get this thing running. Let the show begin. All right, so got everything connected, all the lines, the electrical connections, hoses, belts, all looks good. We got to put in the intake and the intercooler. We're going to use this cold air intake for now until we get a short ram. We definitely don't want it to get flooded again. All right, here comes a moment of truth. We're going to be pouring in some ATF into the motor because it has a lot of detergents, and we're going to flush it a couple times just to be on the safe side. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. You want to hit it? Oh, yeah. Let's go to the back here real quick. It's a smoke show. A flooded, burned, impossible rebuild. All right. Oh, it stinks in here. Everything's being burnt off. We got a little noise coming from, I believe, the power steering pump. They need to invent smell-o-vision so you guys can smell this. Oh, I'm so stoked. This is awesome. Woo! All right. Yeah, this is going to keep coming out. I'll just set down the camera here. We let it run here for a second, but we got to start fixing up this power steering and double checking everything, draining the oil, changing out the filter again. We'll do this a couple times until we see no more smoke. Oh, this is wonderful. This is why we rebuild cars. This is the reason right here for this moment. This is awesome. Hopefully in the next clip, I'm doing a whole bunch of donuts. All right, so I let her sit for a little bit. Let's drain this oil and see how bad it is and if we need another flush. Let's see if any plastic or any melted metal starts coming out. Ooh, yeah. That's ATF for you. Let's see if he gets a little better color. That looks nasty. All right, got all the fluids in. It's barely smoking now. I'm so happy about this rebuild. This is awesome. All right, we're pretty close to operating temps. Before I hit this pedal here, I wanted to show you guys a scan tool that I have laying around at the shop. It's this launch unit here. It's always helpful to have a scan tool, not a big unit that takes a whole lot of time to configure and whatnot. Awesome, no codes. This is a very handy tool. If you guys are interested in something like this, or you know a car guy that might be, link is going to be in the description. I think they're under 50 bucks now with that 20% discount code. You better not rod knock on me. All right. Good. No vibrations, no noises. Check what it looks like outside. I'm gonna go jump in the back so you guys could hear the exhaust. Looks good, temperature's holding. It's not as bad as the first startup. Still pretty epic though. Go ahead, Vic. Okay, a little less. And we'll just let it sit. But for now, let's clean up this dirty shop. Final oil change is complete, looks good. Everything checks out, I'm happy with it. And before this final test, guys, I wanted to say thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing this entire series. It was a blast to make. I'll see you guys in the next one.